Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Holden Captiva, stock number 6212. This ran from the 8th 2012 to the 6th 2018. It has a 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front guard no dents, right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,